Welcome to our channel, Nifty and Gold Silver Digger. Signs of recession and impact of tariff. Gold and silver will touch new heights again. ETF investment is great. Is the correction in gold still pending? What to do in silver? Where to do fresh buying in gold and silver? क्या gold में correction अभी बाकी है? Silver में या करें? Gold and silver fundamentals. Trump creating pressure on Fed Chairman Powell. Gold prices declined in international market due to strong jobless claims in U.S. Also, there is no indication from Federal Reserve rate cut coming this week meeting, which has hit investors' bullish sentiments during ending this week. Tariff-related news. There was also a rumor that gold and silver could also come under tariff that also impacted the price of gold and silver. Trump trade deal with Europe and Japan. Profit booking in gold and silver due to these events during this weekend. Gold has recorded 26% jump in its price in 2025.